Hello, welcome to Salt+Pepper Barbecue. Chicken fried steak. In a bowl, add 1 cup of chopped up pork rinds and 4/5 of a cup of parmesan cheese, 1 tablespoon of herbal salt, and 2 tablespoons of your favorite rub. Mix it together. That's the last coating when you bread the beef. In the middle, I've got eggs that I mix with heavy cream, just getting that to the region. And in the first bowl I have almond flour. So I got 4 thin cut ribeyes that I'm cutting into half and pounding them a little bit flatter because I want them to cook easier or quicker. Anyway, so this is it. Salt and garlic pepper, and there we go. Both sides, of course. Okay, dipping them into the almond flour first, giving them a base coat, then over to the liquid, which is kind of thick, and I also spilled some, but that's the way it is. Onto a rack, letting it firm up for a little bit. Okay, once I'd done them all, I let them rest for about 5 minutes while heating the oil. So the oil is at 350 or 175 Celsius, and I'm gonna fry 2 at a time until they're golden brown. Since this is ribeye, it doesn't really matter if they're rare to medium or medium rare. It's up to each and every one. Maybe I cooked them a little bit long. So I fried some kale, and I just poured some heavy cream on there. Salt and garlic pepper, of course. That was my base on my veggies, and on top of that I put the chicken fried steak and of course a dollop of béarnaise sauce, because that's my favorite go-to. Time for a taste test. There we go, some chicken fried ribeye. Medium, maybe medium well, I don't know. Let's try it. As parmesan goes through and the spices, that was really nice. And then a little bit of kale. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.